Hey everybody, let's get started. So we're going to start with our Lavaa lashes. These lashes are very bold and very dramatic, but I felt like they would be really pretty for this makeup look. So with these lashes, as you can see, they're very long and they're also really flexible. So I'm carefully taking them out here. But you can see that they have a nice flexible bend to it, which is really nice because it goes right over the shape of your eye. And they're really easy to put on. So I felt like this would be good for beginner lashes to use these and try it on. I'm just going to carefully put these back into the box for right now, and we'll come back to these in a little bit. The next thing that you want to do is grab a set of tweezers. You can use any tweezers. I'm actually not going to be using tweezers, but tweezers do help beginners with handling the lashes, so you can do that if you choose. I'm also going to be using the Kiss Adhesive lash glue. This is in clear. I love using clear lash glues because it's easy to tell when it dries. It does turn blue when it dries. So for beginners, this is perfect for you guys. There also is tinted ones, but I like the clear the best. Next thing I'm going to do is grab my mascara. I'm using Superhero. This is super black. I really like this mascara for putting on false lashes because of the bristles. It does have a bit of a curve to it, so that's nice when shaping my eyelashes. And also it does spread my eyelashes out evenly. I really like it. And it's also really easy to put onto the false lashes as well. So to begin this, I'm going to show you a little bit before we actually do put it on myself. I'm going to show you that you easily take it out with the tweezers. Be careful not to pull too hard, just so that the lashes don't break off. You can size these by putting them on and then trimming the outer corner to the shape of your eye if they are too long. I'm going to take the lash glue, and just like you can see, you want to put a small to medium amount onto the lash line. The more that you put on, it does take a lot longer to dry, so just be mindful of that. And you want to spread that all across the entire lash line. As you can see, some of it is already drying pretty fast. This is why I love it, because it dries really quickly, but because it dries really fast, you do have to be mindful of time, because you don't want it to dry before you put it onto your eye. You want it to be semi-dry. And right when it turns blue, that's when you know that it's ready to be put on. And I also like to give these a little bit of a bend, so it kind of curves to the shape of my eye. The first thing I'm going to do is put my mascara on my own lashes. Some people wait until after they put on their false lashes to do so. I find when I use the dramatic bold lashes, I don't usually put mascara on afterwards because it already is so bold and black. So I just kind of use the mascara to spread my own lashes to kind of make it even. I'm going to take my lashes, I'm going to give it a little bit of bend. This will help curve it to the shape of my eye when I put it on. And I'm going to be taking my lash glue, and just like we saw in the beginning of this video, I'm just going to be using a small to medium amount, putting it right onto the lash line, giving it about 20 to 30 seconds till it dries. It will turn bluish in tinge. And there's that pretty blue color that I was talking about. So now I know it's ready to be applied to my eyelid. And what I usually do is I'll start with the outer corner of my eye and then work my way inward, just to kind of line that up with the outer corner of my eye. And you can use tweezers as well if this helps a little bit more. I used to use them in the beginning, but now I just kind of plop it on with my fingers. You want to make sure you get it as close to the lash line as you possibly can, and kind of just push down until it grabs a hold of your lid and sticks right on there. And you want to give it a little bit of pressure. And what I also like to do is take my lashes and my false lashes and kind of just cling them together. Alright, looks good. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eyelid as well. Remember to give it a little bit of a bend so it helps to curve to your eye. I'm going to take a little bit of that lash glue, put it right on the lash line, and place as close as you can to the lash line after 20 to 30 seconds when it's dry enough to be applied. Remember, you want to start with the outer corner of your eye first, and then work your way towards the inner corner. Place it very carefully, as close as you can to the lash line. Use your finger to kind of pat it down, or you could use the tweezers if you're using that. And then kind of just take your lashes and your fake lashes and kind of just adhere them together. Looks good. Everything is applied. Now we're just going to fix the top liner because it got a little bit messed up when we were putting it on, but that's okay. Take any kind of eyeliner liquid that you have. I'm using a color in black. And I'm just going to really carefully just fill in any areas that got pulled from me placing the lashes on my eyelid. Last thing I'm doing is taking this black mascara and just applying a little bit on the bottom lashes just to kind of complete the look. And there you have it. This is the final look for the lashes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it really easy to put on. Hopefully it helped somebody out there. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so I can make more videos for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.